Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Hard Test. So first we have to take sand. I am taking here 2 tablespoons of sand in a bowl. Now add any toothpaste in it. Mix it. Mix it until the toothpaste is completely mixed in the sand. Now our toothpaste and sand is completely mixed. Add 1 tablespoon of any dishwash. Mix it properly. Add more dishwash if needed. Now add 2 pinches of flour. You can use any flour. Now add baking powder or baking soda, or you can also use any type of powder. You have to add it half tablespoon. Now add 1 tablespoon of water or more as needed. And mix it properly. Now our kinetic sand is ready. Put it in a mold. Press it to give shape. Take it out from the mold slowly. Now cut it.